Alright, in this activity 2.1, we're going to install the WDS role. And WDS stands for Windows Deployment Services, if you didn't know. Now you do. Let's go to Server Manager if you don't already have it up. Go to Roles. Go to Add Roles. As you can see, I have DHCP, File Services, and Print Services. I did install Print Services through the command line. That was my previous video. And PowerShell. But now let's go ahead and do WDS, Windows Deployment Services. Check that. Go next. There's an overview. Take your time to read that if you want. Pause it. Role services include a deployment server and a transport server. You should probably do both. Yeah, so they're both there. Next. And install, of course. So here we go. It's installing at light speed. And it's almost done. Just collecting installation. Okay, there we go. And it is successfully installed. Let's look at our options here. For your preferences, start it. Windows deployment services must be configured and images must be added to image store before it can manage servicing clients. So description. Alright, so that's basically it. Just installing Windows deployment services.